Hi, in this video, we'll talk about ProShip, Prozo's Omnichannel shipping recommendation engine. Now, this product is designed to serve all kinds of freight requirements to our partner brands. These freight requirements could be for D2C freight or B2C freight as we call it. These requirements could be for part truckloads or less than a truckload. These requirements could be for full truckloads, or these requirements could be for hyperlocal freight. This product seamlessly integrates with our own warehouse management system, which we call ProWMS, as well as other warehouse management systems which are available in the market or which are used by various partner brands that we serve. In today's video, we'll talk more about ProShip's D2C capabilities or e-commerce shipping capabilities. Now, when you're choosing a shipping platform for your D2C freight requirements, whether it's for same day or next day delivery, or for your regular e-commerce shipping, there are various things running in your mind. It seems very simple, but it is a very complex decision for any brand to choose such a partner. The brand has to take into account various parameters which are very, very important for their end consumers. It could be around the TATs. It could also be around how the shipments are handled. It could also be around for their own part, the COD remittances, etc., etc. Now, when you're evaluating various products in the market, you're saying, hey, I've got 4-5 very good options. Why ProShip? So here in this video, we'll talk about 9 reasons you should think about when you are making this decision. What are these 9 reasons because of which you should choose ProShip? So the first and the foremost is ProShip offers you best-in-class courier, WMS and OMS integrations. ProShip seamlessly integrates with most of the leading WMSs, OMSs, as well as shipping providers, whether it is a Blue Dart or a Delhivery, Gati, DTDC, etc., etc. So all the courier partners who offer their APIs are already integrated with ProShip. And on the WMS side, also ProShip is integrated with most of your OMSs and WMSs, thus making it a very suitable product for meeting your D2C requirements. This product also seamlessly integrates with your ERPs if it is required. We offer API integrations to ensure that this ProShip product can easily integrate with your larger ERPs or the enterprise grade ERPs if you're using them. The second mantra or the second reason why ProShip should be used is because it offers you 100% control on your shipping cost and courier selection. So ProShip has 2 parts to this particular product. The first part is a SaaS product. So ProShip is a SaaS product which allows you to aggregate shipping partners on one side and allows you to integrate with your warehouse management system on the other side. The second part of ProShip offering is actually shipping services that Prozo delivers to you, where Prozo is already talking to and is aligned with all the freight partners in the back end. And using ProShip, you can use all these shipping partner services in plug and play mode. So imagine that with Prozo, you can have a standard rate card for your pan-India shipments. Alternatively, you can also choose to go with a courier-wise rate card with ProShip. So basically, you choose which region, which territory is served by which courier partners. So it gives you 100% control on your shipments. The third very interesting element is ProShip gives you a 60 seconds dashboard to analyze the performance. We believe that in any operational environment, it is very important to analyze what's going on. And we have taken a deep view into it, and we have built a product that allows you to do root cause analysis in less than 60 seconds. So our dashboards are really very intuitive. They are built on issue tree approach, and you can easily find out which are the shipments which are stuck, which are the shipments which are delayed, if delayed by how many days, etc., etc., in less than 60 seconds. The fourth element, which is all the brands always talk about, and it's on top of the mind for many of the founders, is NDR management. Our product allows you best-in-class NDR analysis as well as management. Why we say analysis? Because when it comes to NDR, you need to think about a lot of things. What are the top reasons for NDR? What is being done for NDR? What are my India shipment based on the aging? What corrective actions have been taken, right? And what is my India percentage based on mode of delivery? What is my India percentage based on type of products, type of shipments? Is there a correlation between pin code serviceability and NDR? So to diagnose and analyze an NDR, you need a lot of data points, a lot of analytics, and Prozo gives you seamless analytics to understand NDR better. And once you understand NDR better, Prozo gives you all the support, automated as well as non-automated, to reduce your NDR, whether it is NDR related WhatsApp messages, whether it's NDR related callings, etc., etc. So that's another very important part that you would like to consider when you're choosing your freight partner in terms of D2C shipping. The fifth element is literally, I think, one of the most complex pieces in this entire shipping aggregation is weight discrepancy management. And since we are running state-of-the-art warehouses ourselves, most of our warehouses are already equipped with DWS machines, which is dimensioning and weighing scales. These Falcon Edge machines are primarily used to dimension the shipping products or being shipped out products to measure their dimensions. Now, the DWS element is so critical, or rather weight discrepancy element is so critical, that if the weight of a shipment pre-packaging is say 450 grams and post-packaging it becomes 550, essentially your shipping cost almost doubles up. Now, it's very important that the partner you select has a lot of safeguards that are built in to ensure this doesn't happen. So our product has these safeguards built in at a warehousing level and within the SaaS product itself, so that we ensure that you have least amount of weight discrepancy cases when it comes to billing. The sixth very important point is around COD remittances, reconciliation accuracy, and the payout timelines. Many of the brands, they really struggle with this piece because their partners are not able to reconcile the COD remittances accurately and in a time-bound manner. At Prozo, we understand that these COD remittances are extremely critical to your cash flows. The seventh point is around TAT performance analytics. If you think about the TAT performance analytics, you will see that Prozo allows you to easily, first of all, understand your current TATs by looking at various data cuts, whether it's around courier-wise TAT performance, it could be around region-wise TAT performance, it could be around first attempt TAT performance, second attempt TAT performance, third attempt TAT performance, forward TAT performance, reverse TAT performance, or returns TAT performance in a very, very seamless manner. By helping you understand delayed TATs and better understand the performance of your courier partners that either you have chosen for yourself or we have chosen for you, right? By understanding these courier partners' performance, we can easily fix these TAT issues in a time-bound manner. So that's the seventh important part of ProShip. The eighth element of ProShip product is that it is a very communication-first product. When I say communication-first product, we understand that every brand will have a different requirement of building the communication with their customers. Some brands would like to have a very high-touch communication levels with their customers. They would like to send SMSs, WhatsApp, and also might want to give them a telecall prompt before deliveries. They might also want PIN code verification based deliveries. On the other hand, some brands may want to opt in for a low-touch communication approach when it comes to shipping their products. Prozo has built a communication-first product wherein you, as a brand, can choose what communication levels you would like to build with your brand. Do you want to go for a high-touch communication or a high-intensity communication or a low-intensity communication? So that's another point that you might want to consider while choosing your shipping partner. The ninth critical part of our product is one of the most differentiated features that our product offers. We call it D2C Freight Control Tower. What we spoke so far in this video was around historical performance, whether it was around NDR analysis, it was around TAT analysis, it was around any other delivery failures, right? 60 seconds analysis. All those dashboards were primarily around looking at historical data, things that have already happened. Now, this D2C Freight Control Tower gives you a real-time view into key critical matrices that matter to you. It could be around pickup delays. It could be around pickup failures. It could be around your return shipments that are stuck. It could be around your forward shipments that are already delayed by more than 2 days, so that you and us together, we can act and ensure that your customers get seamless service and best-in-class service. Thank you.
Get powered by Prozo.